Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add the filters on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add filter in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. After that, tap onto the video track just right here. Now tap on it. Then scroll to your right just like this, and here you can find the filter option just right here. Now select it. Then to add the filter, simply choose one of these just like this and apply the intensity just like this, and simply choose one of the filters that you like to add just like this, and after adding it, simply tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the filter has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the filter in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.